Hello Wobblies, welcome to Wobbly Otter Outdoors. I'm Chris, and in today's episode we are taking a look at the Victorinox Swiss tool Spirit XBS. This isn't a paid promotion. We purchased all the items seen in this video ourselves, and we'll put product links down in the description. The Spirit XBS is 4 3/8 inches long, 1 3/8 inches wide, and 5/8 inches thick. It weighs 7.4 ounces. It's made of burnished stainless steel, which is why it has the black appearance, so it is not a coating that will rub off. It comes with a nice nylon case with brown accent and a belt loop on the back. As for pros and cons, in my opinion, for me, there are no cons. For the pros, it is relatively lightweight, it is slim in design, it is easy to hold, it is slightly curved and very smooth. It's easy to grip and hold on to tightly without hurting any part of your hand, no hot spots. One of the greatest difficulties I've had in using a multi-tool is opening each tool. With this multi-tool, I have no trouble opening any of the tools. The one exception may be the scissors. And though I can usually open it without any trouble, it's still the only one that's slightly difficult. All the others are super easy for me to open. In addition to being easy to open, the lock release is also very easy to operate, and all the tools are locking. When you open a tool and lock it in place, there is no wobble, there is no play. It is solid as a rock. It is so incredibly well made. So granted, I am not a multi-tool aficionado. However, since getting and using this multi-tool, it truly is an everyday carry for me. I never thought I would say that, because to me, multi-tools have always been big and bulky and had a lot of tools that you would never use. That is not the case with the Spirit X. It is so comfortable to hold. I cannot impress enough how comfortable it is to hold and to use. It's just so very nice. So down in the comments, let me know, do you have an everyday carry type of multi-tool? And if so, what is it? And what led you to make the decision to make that your everyday carry? It's interesting to hear the different reasons people like a given tool. There are a lot of different multi-tools on the market, just like there are a lot of different people with a lot of different uses and applications for the multi-tools they carry. So I'm really interested in hearing what you have to say. We'll put product links for all the items in this video, including the little Spirit X and Spirit XBS, down in the description. Thanks for watching, Wobbly Otter. We love you and hope all your tomorrows are bright. Until next time.